Hey, I'm AD Dolphin, the CEO of Dherbs.com, and welcome to another episode of Fact or Fiction. Today we're going to talk about poop. Yes, constipation. So we're going to find out what's fact and what's fiction. Hey AD, I don't remember how this conversation came up, but recently a couple of friends and I were speaking about bowel movements. Yes, I know, random, but we were trying to figure out if not having a bowel movement every single day is a sign of constipation. I hope you can help because I might be in trouble. Thanks, Adriana. Adriana, this is such a great question. So many people ask me, like, how many bowel movements should I have? Is it one? Is it two? Is it three? Really, it breaks down to how many meals are you having. If you're having one complete meal a day, one bowel movement is sufficient. If you're having two or three, then 2 to 3 bowel movements are sufficient. Anything less than that, you're constipated. So this is a fact. Adriana, these are the 4 telltale signs to know if you're constipated. If you're having 5 or fewer bowel movements a week, you are constipated. If you're straining, you are constipated. If your stools are dry and lumpy, you are constipated. When you go to the restroom and you feel like you just didn't get it all out, you are constipated. This might sound crazy, but you need to look inside that toilet. It tells you the condition of your body. So when you go to the restroom, if you see a lot of pebbles, that means you are constipated, unless you're an infant. If your poop is practically liquid, that means you have diarrhea. The ideal poop that you're trying to have is soft and easy to push out poop. That's the best poop that you can possibly have. Look, there's certain things out there that you should definitely consume that's going to help you with constipation. That's gonna be fruits, vegetables, which are high in fiber. And I always tell people you have to drink enough water. When it comes to water, all you have to do is divide your body weight by 2, and that tells you the number of ounces that you should drink. So therefore, if you weigh 100 pounds, you divide it by 2, you should be drinking 50 ounces of water a day. And that's gonna help you with constipation. Next question. What's going on, AD? I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. I just really have one question to ask. It's about the correlation between sleep and bowel trouble. I've been constipated for a couple of weeks, and because of my new job, my sleep schedule has been messed up. I want to know, can sleep affect my bowel movements? Thanks, Randall. Randall, you are in luck. I definitely know the answer to this particular question. And yes, sleep can definitely affect your bowel movements. This is a fact. Sleep is so important to your overall health. It reduces the risk of heart disease. It also helps you with the struggle with bowel movements and also weight gain. The lack of shut-eye, experts say, can influence things like gas, constipation, diarrhea, and also bloating. If you don't follow a consistent sleep schedule, your gut suffers. Are you getting enough sleep? And if you're not, you're affecting your sleep-wake cycle. Disrupting that cycle is going to affect your body in several different ways. It's going to affect your gut microbes and also your intestinal cells. Last night I slept about 2 hours, but now that I'm thinking about it, I haven't went to the bathroom today, and it's almost like 6 o'clock p.m. So maybe there's something to that. So they're saying your brain won't be able to cue your bowel movements unless you get enough sleep. I think they may be right. I haven't been in the bathroom today. Next question. Hey AD, this is kind of an embarrassing topic. I don't know exactly when this started, but I'm having trouble using the bathroom. I find myself sitting on the toilet for way too long, to a point where my legs go numb. I've heard that exercise is one of the ways to relieve constipation. I just want to know if you knew anything on this topic. Thank you, Fran. Fran, you are in luck because exercise does help you with constipation. This is a fact. This is the best part. Any form of exercise, believe it or not, can help you with constipation. You just gotta be more active. Some of the best exercises that you can do that can help you with constipation would include things like pelvic floor exercises, cardio, and also yoga. I already know what y'all gonna ask me. What is pelvic floor? Believe it or not, I had to look it up myself. It's actually Kegel exercises. And these exercises actually help you get stronger, and it's gonna allow you to push stools out of your colon. Intestinal muscle contraction. That's what you need actually, that's gonna help you poop. And the way you can do it is by doing more cardio. That increases blood flow to your digestive tract. What exercises should you do? Look, anything, just be active, just moving around in general, running, jogging, swimming, biking, just moving around is gonna stimulate your bowels. What it comes down to is this: 30 minutes of exercising a day can help you with constipation. So get active. Look, when it comes down to yoga, your body can benefit in so many different ways. You're talking about helping your body to reduce stress, helping you out in your nervous system, increasing the blood flow to your digestive tract. Two of the best yoga poses out there that can actually help you relieve constipation would be the wind relieving pose and also the supine twist. Working out, yoga poses, all these things definitely help you with constipation, but they're not really the answer. The real answer is, what are you putting into your body? So that goes back to fresh fruits, vegetables, things that have fiber in it. You're gonna have to eat a healthier diet to solve this constipation issue. Thanks for watching Fact or Fiction. If you have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. Or you can email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com. And you already know what I'm about to say. Hit the subscribe button. See you next week.